There was a man who made his living selling balloons at a fair. He had balloons of many different colors, including red, yellow, blue, and green. Whenever business was slow, he would release a helium-filled balloon into the air. When the children saw the balloon go up, they all wanted one. They would come up to him, buy a balloon, and his sales would go up. All day he continued to release a balloon whenever sales were slow. One day, the balloon man felt someone tugging at his jacket. He turned around and a little boy asked, "If you release a black balloon, will that also fly?" Moved by the boy's concern, the man replied gently, "Son, it is not the color of the balloon, it is what is inside that makes it go up."